Hello and welcome to the Bepop PCEX software explanation video series. This video will cover how to connect a label layout to a database using a CSV file type. Of course, this is within our Bepop PCEX software. So let's jump right in. Here we go. We've got this helmet label. This helmet label is a label that is very common in factories to distinguish the person's name and their blood type, as well as the company that they are representing. Right now, we have this Max Smith and his blood type is AB, but what would happen if we had something like this? A list of people and their blood types that we wanted to make into a label like this. The answer to this question is using a CSV file type to connect this information to this label. So after you have made a file in your standard spreadsheet program, you're going to save it as a CSV file type. Here, CSV. Select save and this warning message will appear. Do you want to keep using that format? Yes, I do. After you answer yes, exit this program. There's no need to save it again as you've already saved it. And come back to your Bepop PCEX design layout window. Here you're going to select File and come down to CSV Database menu and click Connect. Next we'll go to Documents, and here we go, Explanation for Video. If we open this up, we'll see that we have this same data that I showed you previously now imported into our Bepop PCEX file. The next step is to get the data from this box out onto your design layout. You can do this by selecting all the data and click Add to Layout. Notice that you can add the data as both a text and a barcode. It is also very popular to use a QR code to add both letters and numbers to a database linked layout. Here we're going to use text. As you can see, the text has automatically been added. Now we have to resize the text and position it on our layout. Looks like this is a good size, and then we're also going to have to take this A and put it up here. To make it more close to the original label, we're also going to bold the fonts on this text. And now we have a label that's been linked to this CSV database. As you scroll down, you'll notice that some of the names and letters stick out from the label. If we look here at Christopher Columbus, you can see that we can only read the Christopher and we cannot read the Columbus. So how do we go about solving this problem? Well, the answer is you have to change the settings in the text box. To open the properties of the text box, double click on it and come down here to Arrangement. Set it to Fixed and Align to Center. This will automatically make the text come into the middle of a text box without overflowing onto the edges. This is an appropriate setting for most CSV connected text box layouts. Let's try it one more time. As we scroll through the names, we'll see that when we get down to some of the longer names, like Christopher Columbus, it comes right into the middle of the box. You can also notice that the blood types, even when you come to AB, also fit right into the middle of where we want them to go. Now that we have formatted the label the way we want it, the next step is to group the label and then come up here to the 1, 2 number icon. Click on this icon and select CSV Database Autocopy. By selecting this, you're going to be prompted to give the vertical spacing and horizontal spacing between the labels and the number of copies you would like. I would like 1 copy of this entire database, so I'm going to leave it at 1. Also notice that up here you can decide to print out only the selected rows or all of the rows. Here we're going to copy all of the rows. After pressing OK, you can see that all of the data has been automatically formatted on our layout, and we are ready to print when we need to. Well, that's it for your basic CSV database link explanation. So we'd like to thank you for using our Bepop system and encourage you to please take a look at our other videos. Thank you and have a good day.